Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Pyle dual cassette player and recorder to show you. The model number is PT-649D. But before we get into it, did you know that generally whenever a cassette deck fails, it just means that you have to replace the belts? Not always, but most of the time that's the failure that happens. But let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have your input and output. The input is for recording from an external source. The play or output is for standard playback. And then up here you have a voltage selector. And then down here you have your remote system for if you want to connect it to an amplifier. To connect it, you'll just match up the red and white cable to the output on the back. And I would recommend using a speaker system similar to what you see here, but you can connect it to just about any speaker. So on the front panel of it, you have your power button right here, play, rewind, fast forward, stop, and pause. And then you have a noise reduction switch right here. You can switch it on or off. And then the record level adjustment, if you want it to record at a louder volume, you can turn that up or down. And then down here you have play CR02 for the tape adjustment. And then you have dubbing, high-speed dubbing, and record CR02. And then up here you have your deck B counter. You can reset it if you need to. And then you have a record button, play, rewind, fast forward, stop, and play. So we'll go ahead and do a recording. So now it's recording from deck A to deck B. That's pretty much all there is for this Pyle dual cassette player and recorder. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.